Okay, we got a new printer and we just powered it on, only to hear this sound. This is a knocking sound. It's a cracking sound for a new printer, just open from the package. So when you power on the printer, it gives this sound. We try to print to test if the printing will be okay. It still gave the sound. This is a sign of a gear problem or a pickup roller issue, but this is a new printer. With the paper tray removed, the problem persists. So we open the rear cover to check the gears and the rollers. So we suspected one gear that is not firmly fixed. Yes, we saw a gear that is not firmly fixed. We still check other ones. Check the fuser unit to be sure it was firm. Then the main suspect remains that gear, the drive gear, the dark drive gear. It's the gear that's not firmly fixed and is shaky, so it generates that clocking sound. So when we fix it properly and then cover the rear door, the problem is solved. This is LaserJet Enterprise M612 and it prints normally. We try printing again. This time around the printing is okay.